PATH presents What is Manufacturing? What is manufacturing? The answer might surprise you. Did you know this is manufacturing? Did you know this is manufacturing? Did you know even this is manufacturing? Manufacturing has changed drastically over the course of the last 50 years. Careers that required backbreaking labor are now careers that utilize cutting-edge technology every day. PATH offers career pathways in advanced manufacturing at Lehigh Carbon Community College, Luzerne County Community College, and Northampton Community College. From robotics and CNC programming to welding and engineering design manufacturing, PATH offers a program for anyone interested in manufacturing. PATH graduates can achieve successful careers as mechanical engineers, industrial maintenance mechanics, chemical equipment operators, welding fabricators, and more. This is not what you thought manufacturing was. This is PATH Careers. Visit www.pathcareers.org for more information and to register today.